One thing you can do in order to isolate your image is a program called paint.net. Up here on the top. It's great at being able to use the magic wand, and I can select the background, and usually, like right now, I got a first go pretty good. It isolated where our image is. If I have to change the tolerance, I can move this up or down to include more or less. But that does the job for me, because even though it doesn't get everything, I just hit the delete, and it's basically isolated it, because now I can just select inside that little bit there, just get my little guy there. And if I copy him and make a new screen, it makes it the exact measurements I want it to be, and then I just paste him in. Voila, there he is.